What's up, YouTube? This is Yazby, and of course you can see I've got a package from Ellusionist. See the E? Okay, now this is my first package opening. I am actually very excited. This is my first Ellusionist package. I don't have any other Ellusionist decks, of course, so let's just get to opening it. Start off right. Okay. Okay. Now, as you can see, the box is pretty small. That's because I didn't get anything big. All I got was cards. But what a hell of a lot of cards. Up top is the one by red, black tiger, white pips. Two of them actually. One ghost. These I'm really looking forward to. The white arcane. And if this is the one, this is I got one black ghost. There's another black tiger, white pips. Here's the black arcane. These two decks I am so excited to get to. It's not even funny. And here, see what else. Let's get the advertisement out of the way. Here's the advertisement. Comes with every package. More advertisement. Okay. Bill. This one came out to be 97 something. I don't remember what it was. It was like 97.70 or something like that. The box weighed 4.6 pounds. And there's a brick right here of mixed cards. So open the seal. Okay. And here at the top we have the black tiger red pips. Down right there. We have the blue Shadow Masters. Another blue Shadow Masters. 3 red Shadow Masters. See right there. Okay. 2 more red pip black tigers. 2 more white ghosts. And 2 more blue not Shadow Masters, Blue Masters. And that was my package. I know for every Ellusionist package you should at least have 1 Shadow Masters. Unfortunately, I've been checking for the past like 3 months, and they've been sold out. I didn't have enough money to get any vintage. I figured, you know, I can wait till next time. But yeah, this is what I got: 3 red pip black tiger, 3 white pip, 3 white ghosts. I got 4 blue masters because I got the custom pack with I believe the 2 arcanes and the black ghost was my custom pack. So I got 1 free with that, and then I got 3 blue masters, 3 red masters, the black ghost, the white, the black arcane. I will be doing reviews on these if you guys want me to. Of course, I'm a new channel. I don't have a lot up, and I'll be getting more. I should be getting a Theory 11 box soon. Something messed up with the order, so I don't quite know what's going on with that. But as soon as it comes out, I'll post an update and tell you guys it's coming out. So thank you guys for watching. You can see I'll put a Nah, never mind. Watch some other videos, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.